Welcome back to the channel. Doing a quick change of the fuel filler cap. This is what I bought on eBay. It was quite cheap. I will put a link in the description. The old one, as you will see, looks pretty crap, and when you look at the inside, if it's in focus, go on focus, you'll see that the seal is completely perished, and it's obviously not going to be given very good seal. So also looking around, it's very loose. It looks like all dirt in there, which I'm going to have to clean out before putting the new one in. Well, this is the new cap. Tighten until cap clicks, and even if it's a cheap eBay, it's got to be better than the thing I've just taken off. Let's put it on and give it a test drive and see what happens.